Hello, Professor. Our project title is Online Marketplace. In our team, we are the 4 members. Myself, Butul Parvin, I am going to tell about the online marketplace because we use this project as our. Because in our project architecture, we can see domains, one central domain, because we are going for a using the central domain as one of our team's website, that is Abhiram's website. And other 3 websites are other 3 team members' websites. So, for example, if a user has a user needs to sign the website, so he needs to able to access first register the website. So then after registering the website, he can able to log in, and he can once he log in the central domain, he can able to access the 3 other domains: domain 1, domain 2, domain 3. These domain 1, domain 2, domain 3 you can consider as 3 other websites. So once for this, like backend, we used SQL. So in our overall project, like we used technologies PHP, HTML, CSS. So in each and every domain, we have products and services. Once the products and services page, like user visits, so cookie will update the page to track of the overall the top visited pages and the last visited pages in our project.
Hi, Professor. So I'm going to explain a bit more about our marketplace. So this is the overall structure of our marketplace. As you can see, we have a sign up and login page where a user can sign up with his details to the marketplace. All this data will be stored in the MySQL database. And in the login page, once the user enters his details, he will be authenticated and will be directed towards the landing page from which he can access all 4 members' domains. The features in our marketplace include creation of a user account, login and logout with valid credentials. In case the user doesn't provide valid credentials, he will not be allowed to access the marketplace. If he tries to access it by entering the URL in the browser, he will still be directed to the login page. From the landing page, user can navigate to the various websites of our marketplace, and as well, and the user tracking and the number of visits in each page is done by a combination of cookies and session storage. Moreover, these are the extra features that we implemented in our marketplace. Each and every individual company has the option of viewing his or her most viewed products, and also they can see the most reviewed products in the top 5 products for each company based on the number of visits. We faced various challenges during the creation of this marketplace. It took us time to understand the integration of cookies across domains. For that, we used a bit of integration from cookies across domain. For that, we used various curl calls to get integration. We also had to learn a lot about PHP, HTML, and CSS in order to enable styling in our web pages. Now I'll show you a demo of our project. As you can see below, this is the main initial login page of our project, of a marketplace. Your user can log in from over here. However, if he doesn't have an account, he can register over here, for example. This is once a user registers, he will have this. We will get this pop-up. Now a user can log in successfully if he provides the correct credentials. However, if he provides the wrong credentials, he will not be allowed to log in. No. Even if he doesn't log in and tries to access it from the browser, he will still be to the login page, as you can see over here. Once in the landing page, we have the option of moving across the 4 websites in our domain. I'm going to show a bit about my particular website. As you can see below, this is the website called TripHub, which I have developed. This is a travel, tours, and services website which provides various services on vacation planning, tourists, help tourists on their vacations, hotel booking, etc. These are the various services which this particular website offers. You can navigate to various services and provide feedback over here. For example, I can provide the service feedback like this. I can also view the top most rated services. So these are the various services offered by my particular website. We are a travel agency which offers various services on vacation planning, hotel booking, flight booking, etc. So in this particular website, we can just go through and see the various services offered by me. You can also go ahead and book and give a rating to a number of services. For example, right now, I'm giving a rating to this. The rating has been successfully submitted. I can also see the most highly rated services in my particular website. I can go ahead and view various other products available over here. I can also see the recent tabs which I have visited. As you can see, we have just visited hotel booking, flight booking. Therefore, these two have appeared on the top. Similarly, I can see the last 5 most rated. I can see the most visited tabs in my particular website. Over here, car rentals is the most visited place in the website. Now, if I go to car rentals again, this will change. As you can see, before it was 6, now it is 7. Similarly, we can see the most visited places in our marketplace. This is, for example, specific to my website. However, if I go to car rentals again, this will change to 18. If I go to one of the other websites, like for example, I'm going to this particular website and I go to this product, rental houses. I can see it reflected over here in the last 5 visited places. For example, I visited car rentals and afterwards I visited real estate. So it's reflected over here. I can also see the same thing in the most visited website. I just visited real estate, so the number of the count has increased to 8. So these are the features in my website. Yeah, now Batul will take over and explain a bit about hers.
So I'm going to tell about my website. If I want to see my website, so I need to log in. So from here, if I log in, so login will be successful. Then we have to close this and my service name is Health Services. So about my service, I'm going to tell about, because this service is, my website is useful for Center for Health in hospital. For medical services, people can visit. So in my service, we have like home, about, in about you can see about the website and about the hospital. And in products and services, I have here designed for 10 products. Here you can see for different products for each and every treatment. For each and every service will be available on the price. If you need, we can book the appointment. So here dental, eye care, gynecology, orthopedist, a physiotherapist, cancer. So like this 10 services I have designed here. So after, based on this service, a user can able to book the appointment. So next, if we go for users news based on the hospitals regarding the current. So here you can see. So for if we go for contacts, we can able to access the contacts from text file and create a user section. Here we can create, if I want to search the users database, like based on the creation, like I can be able to search by name or by email ID and by phone number. So here I am going to search by my name by Likita. So I can able to see here the credentials, email ID and phone number. After this, like if I want to see the views, how many views are visited for my website, like at present recently to visit it. So if I go for the products and services, if I see other like services, so book now. So if I go again to views page, so orthopedic east is updated. So based on the services last viewed, so it will display. So like this, if we see 5 websites like last viewed, for example, so it will update in my websites in views section. So here we can see the changes for views based on the cookie we implement based on our services available in our hospital, like Center for Health in hospital. This is my website, list of users. So based on access of database, here we can see the names of the users. So we go for rating and review based on the service available in my website, like dental eye care. Here we can see, we can able to give the feedback like this: dissatisfied or extremely satisfied, moderately satisfied, neither satisfied or not dissatisfied. Here we can able to mention the comment what we feel like. It's a great service is available in our hospital. So if we submit, this will be updated directly in our database. From here, my friend Manikanta will continue.
Hi everyone, this is Manikanta. I'm going to present about my real estate company. Homes at we sell homes at Bay Area, selling and purchasing the homes. Nowadays, due to the corona pandemic, in Bay Area, it has hike in the cost of homes. Nearly it was cost of 2,500 square feet. It costs nearly up to 1.5 to 2 million. So by us we can get some little bit bargaining to other people who are interested to buy their new homes. Nowadays we can see that large other companies who are interested with the commissions and fees by the people who are interested to buy, so that they have to affect the new repairs and the no cleanliness and no hiring cost because of the house rents and maintenance. By us we can give free accommodation for them to to live 1 week and can see the house cleanliness and the no without any problems facing in our company related projects. But we have our services like we have other services, like we can say have an apartment rental by the cost of for 600 square feet we cost 2,500. We can live you can live in for 4 people with the 1 bedroom and 1 bath. We have 1 garage also, and yearly package we can give the 1 month free package. With the adding of the 960 square feet, we have $3,000 for monthly. By adding, we have a 1 month free offer for the yearly package, including the same thing. It goes for $3,500 for the 2 bed 2 bath, and the $4,000 for 1,700 square feet for 3 bed 3 bath, and 4,500 for 2,100 square feet for 4 bed 4 bath, and we can offer for 3 car garages. You can see that you can see the recently they used by tabs. There was no visited recent pages. So you can give our rating us here too, that what's the experience you found by the company. These are my services. The next my friend is going to explain this project about.
Yeah, hello, Professor. Myself, Ashishwar Mandava. So, in our project, we have a common user. So, with that common user, we can log in and we'll get our 4 domains. In this, I have my website is about combat games. So here in combat games, really we'll do like a robo fight and robo leagues. So basically, everyone will have curiosity on robos. So from that, even I am very curious on robot thing. So I have a design website for this, like a robo fight. So here I am offering a different kind of services like robo fight and robo leagues. So everyone can register in my page and they can participate these robo leagues throughout the world, and we'll conduct different kind of competitions and tournament for these robo fight. So people can buy, I mean, like they can visit our page and they can review and they can set a league for them and set a match for them. So basically in my website there are services, and in these services will provide like will give an advice for the league matches, and also they'll give prize money and everything on upon winning. So here basically the service is about like when 2 robots are registered, so they'll get like a rating on the strength and strength of that robo and all like that. And here we have a contacts page. If anything, if you want to contact to the website and about the league or about any competition, so one can register with that name, email and message, and you'll get a reply back from this website. And basically we have a login page. So here login page is only for the admin, so admin can log in with that username and password, so he can modify that leagues and tournaments, and he can set up all the things. And sorry, sorry, Professor. So like here we can give review and a rating of that about the match and the league which happened between the 2 robots. And also here you can get the top 5 matches happened based upon the rating and the feedback. And this is all about my domain, Professor. Thank you.
Hi, Professor. So after traveling throughout a marketplace, a user can log out of the marketplace from the logout button present in the home section of the TripHop website. On logout, he will be diverted to the login page. He cannot access the landing page again as his authentication has been removed. For example, he will be diverted back to the logout page. So by this, we would like to end our presentation. Thank you.